excruciating pain in my back, and I got my ring back. They're the most venomous snakes in the world. Ziggy doesn't have ears anymore. Good morning, hi, welcome back to the vlog. It is Tuesday. Last week, so much happened. It was such a hectic week. Like, I didn't have a minute to pick up my camera. Firstly, I got my ring back from being resized. I don't know if I had shown you this already, possibly not. But yes, I got it resized and now it is the perfect size, which is lovely. I'm not worried about it just like flying off my finger. I had food poisoning. Cosmo ripped up one of the most venomous snakes in the world. Hi, hello, welcome back to another series of Darby gets home from work on a Friday night or Friday Arvo, and sees that the dogs have ripped something up. Again, let me show you. So I saw this and I'm like, kind of looks like a bit of a snake. And then I saw this. Definitely a snake, but is it venomous, poisonous? Like, obviously Cosmo has ripped it up. Does he have like poisonous stuff in him? Do I need to take him directly to a vet? Like, I'm scared. And I've also never seen a snake in my backyard before, so now I'm terrified for summer. Anyway, does anybody know what type of snake this is and if it's venomous or not? Here's another look. Sorry if you don't like dead animals, but like, oh, also I got my ring back from getting resized. Anyway, is this a poisonous snake? I don't know if you can tell or not. But yeah, I'm a bit scared. Hope everyone has had a fab Friday. Okay, update. My friend Kayla from work has just asked her dad if it's a venomous snake or not. And it is, so not great. She said to just keep an eye on them and see if they start, like, I don't know, acting funny or being weird or hyperventilating or, I don't know, just like acting really strange, and to have a look and see if there's any bites on them. There are no bites on them, but Cosmo has definitely eaten some and most likely ingested it. It looks like he's also rolled in it too, which, yuck. But yeah, a bit nervous. Oh, why? I'm scared. I'm a bit scared. I'm not used to dealing with snakes and wildlife and stuff, so yeah, very scared. Okay, good news. A couple of my friends have gotten back to me and said, like, if they're not in lots of like distress, or if they're if they seem fine, like if they don't seem fine, obviously take them to a vet, but if they seem fine, then it's fine. And the snake is very poisonous. It's either a gorda or a brown snake or a something that starts with a D. I'm not exactly sure. But yeah, I just checked the letterbox. The boys are fine. It's just scary. Like, who would have ever thought that I would have had to deal with a snake in my backyard? Oh, it's been a while. And he also ripped up a blue tongue lizard. He's just been attacking animals left, right, and center. And yeah. Anyway, last week was hectic. I also started 3D printing, but I just went to the shops. I got some Bicky, I got some silly little biscuits, and I got some sour Skittles because I'm gonna make a big board today, like with like cheese and Bickies and snacks and sweets, because it's Melbourne Cup Day. And I know a lot of people don't celebrate Melbourne Cup Day, but I just think that they are just the most magnificent, like well taken care of horses. And to just like see what they can do, I just find it so fascinating how there's like that connection between the jockey and the horse, and it's, I don't know what it is, but I just absolutely love it. So I'm gonna be watching the Cup. It's 12 p.m. our time because it's 3 p.m. Eastern time, so I'm still getting used to that time difference. I don't know if I'll ever get used to that. But yeah, I'm gonna make a big snack board for that. The boys are actually at the groomer for the first time right now, so that's exciting. I hope that they don't get like traumatized or something, because last time Cosmo was left with a dog sitter on our trip, he came back a different boy. So that was really sad, and I'm hoping Ziggy doesn't come back from this being different, but anyway, we'll see. And I am picking up something so exciting this afternoon. I just cannot wait to show you. But yeah, hi, welcome back to the vlog. Happy Tuesday. There's a lot going on. Oh my goodness, the dogs just got back from the groomer. And I have never seen them so skinny and like furless in my whole life. Ziggy doesn't have ears anymore, and I feel so bad, but it's gonna be so good for summer. Okay, if you make grazing tables or like platters or anything for a living, skip this part because it looks horrendous, but I am so excited to just peck away at this board for the rest of the arvo. Where did your ears go? They're so small now. Hey Cosmo. Hi. Oh my god, they're just so smooth and they have like no fur on them at all. Oh my goodness, I can't get over it.
Yeah, I'm here with Just Fine. He's parading beautifully. Back to Flemington where he performed best at his last start. 2 starts to go. Hopefully he's in it for a long way.
500 meters to go. Show me the bird's eye. What's happening? Oh my god, Mum's about to win. Oh my god, my mum's about to win. Oh, nah. Oh my goodness, wow. Oh, my heart is racing. Oh, I have goosebumps everywhere. What a good race. What a beautiful moment. Oh, I just love how happy. Oh my god, why am I about to cry? I just love how happy everyone gets. Like the jockey, the owners. It's his first win. I'm so happy for this jockey. There is just, whoa, I'm so zoomed in, I'm so sorry. There is just so much like beautiful emotion on this day and I just love it so much. I just love it. You know how I said before that I've got really great news? This is my great news. I got a new car and I am so happy that I almost have nothing to do with my other car before, because let me just show you all of the problems I've had with this car since I got it. I'm also in my new car. Engine light has been flashing on this car since I got it, but they said it's like just a tiny little issue, and every time I start it I've had to like put it in neutral, rev it up really high, and then the engine light stops flashing and it just stays still. But yeah, they said it's like an issue that's going to cost $2,000 just in labour and isn't really worth it. I'm kind of scared that I'm going to break down on the highway on the way to the house. Oh my god, I want to cry. The estimate for my car is $6,500. That just ruined my day. I was expecting $2,000 and then they come at me with $6,500. Cosmo's just playing with a milk bottle in the background, but this has ruined my whole entire week. If you've been watching for a while, my car has just been nothing but problems and issues, and I thought it was gonna die. Only last week that the engine light turned off for the first time. So we've just hopped back in the car from the beach and our car isn't starting. And the key just keeps getting a little bit stuck. But yeah, I finally have a car that works and is in great condition and actually comes with warranty and has Bluetooth, has air conditioning. Like, it's a good car. And look, buying that previous car was, I reckon, one of the worst mistakes I've ever like done in my life. Like, one of the worst decisions I've ever made. But it's in the past, can't change it now, nobody died, you just need to put it in the past. That's all I need to do. The car place literally just delivered it to me right here at my house. Like, how incredible is that? And they also gave me this, which is so cute. A little thing that says, "Congratulations, Darby." And it's just so clean and pristine, and it's leather, and it's got Bluetooth. The first song that I put on was this. And I have like actual speakers. I don't have to deal with that tinny little Kmart one anymore. And it's just such a nice car. I'm just so happy that we could finally just put that other car behind us. Like, it hasn't sold yet. I'm just so happy. I'm a happy girl. Oh, and the tank is full, I've just realized. When you have a good car dealer, you've got a good car dealer. I think I'll definitely be going back to them for literally all my cars forever. But for now, I'm just gonna try and figure out how everything works. The first thing I did was set up the Bluetooth, but yeah, I'm gonna listen to Gracie Abrams and play with my new car. That's so cool. I still cannot believe that I have a new car. Like, doesn't feel real.
Remember how I died when you started walking? I put up a fight, taking out my earrings. So cool.
Hi, it's Thursday morning. Yesterday at work, I don't know what I did, but I hurt my back really bad, and that makes me sound so old. It was like just after the middle of the day, and all of a sudden I just get this excruciating pain in my back, and it was like going like all the way down my back, like around my ribs. Like, it was like someone was giving me like the tightest hug possible, and you're at that point where it's like, okay, like let me go now, like suffocating. But it was just constant, and it was making me feel really nauseous and sick, and I'm like, oh my god, what is going on? And it still persisted all the way through till like after dinner, and I'm like, okay, like a good night's sleep will do it. But I woke up this morning and it's still really sore. Like, I can't stand up for more than 5 minutes without needing to sit down. Like, it is so scary, and I don't know what to do about it. Like, Panadol doesn't help. I might actually have to go and see a doctor for back pain at 25 years old. Oh, are you kidding me? That's so embarrassing. Anyway, so that's how my day's going. I'm just gonna have to spend the day sitting down because I literally can't stand up. Like, what? I don't even know what happened. Like, I work as a barista. Like, I lift heavy things. Like, I'm, you know, twisting around to get jugs of milk and whatever. I don't know, like, I know how to lift things safely. Like, I know how to work safely and not hurt my back, but I don't know, I just did something yesterday at work that just completely just stuffed my back up, which I am so scared that I'm gonna feel like this forever. Like, I'm so worried that my back is now never gonna feel the same. Anyway, lately I've been 3D printing some pretty cool stuff. I haven't tried them on cookies yet, so I'm not sure if they're gonna work properly, but I printed this little starfish, so that's a cute little starfish design, and then it comes with a cutter as well. I haven't figured out the software on how to design my own yet, but I'm finding other like free software online to print these things just to make sure I know how to work the printer itself. I also printed this little arch, which would be so cute. And the one I'm most excited for is this cloud. Oh my goodness, the dogs are wild in the background this morning. So I printed this little cloud, and I have this stamp that has like baby written in cursive, and I was thinking this would be perfect for like baby showers and stuff as like a pastel blue or a pastel pink, and I would just have like cursive baby written up here and then the last name in block letters down here that I can personalize. So I think that would just be so cute. And I also printed this one, but it didn't work very well. It's got a bit too much like texture in it, but I printed this little seahorse, which I thought was going to go really cute with the starfish, and like a seahorse cutter as well. But I don't think this will print well onto the cookie because the 3D printer has like dragged bits like across the pattern, if that makes sense. I don't know if it's just like me not knowing how to use it or if it's like a design fault. But anyway, yeah, I'm so happy with all my little 3D printing things. But yeah, I'm gonna go and try and do everything I can today to try and fix my back because I have work tomorrow and I work on Sunday, which is the busiest day of the week. Oh my goodness. Good morning, it is Friday. My back is still ridiculously sore, but I can't just sit down forever. Like, what am I gonna do? Like, I have so many things to do, so I'm up and I'm going, but I am in so much pain. I need to go buy some Christmas presents today. I need to go buy things for the dogs. I've got a plumber coming because our hot water isn't working. It's just, oh. I just don't know how people live with back pain. Like, I'm so grateful that I've never had to deal with it until now, but oh my goodness. You'd think surely after like 2 nights sleep, it would have gone away. Like this morning I woke up and I'm like, oh my God, my back's fine, that's amazing. But after like 5 minutes of standing, I'm like, no, okay, she's back. I'm not having a great time this morning. Play Long Live Taylor's version.
Shaking hands, the crowds in stands went wild. Long live the walls we crashed through in. I passed the pictures around.
Even just 6 minutes sitting in my car is just so painful. Even just this little 6-minute drive in my car, like not sitting with something like soft on my back, is just so excruciatingly painful. Like, if I have to live like this, like, I know that's dramatic. I know it's dramatic. It's probably not gonna last long, but like, it is so, like, oh, like I've never felt pain like this. It's like so painful that you can't even think. Like I don't know. I've just never had pain like this and I'm struggling. I'd just jump on quickly to say I just sold my car. So exciting. So now I have absolutely nothing to do with it. Thank goodness. I am also in so much pain still. I don't even want to talk about it because it is just so painful. And yeah, I think I'm just going to end off the vlog here. Hopefully I am able to stand up and continue on with life next week, but if not, there may not be a vlog. But I've just had the worst couple of days. It has just been so excruciatingly painful. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video, hopefully very, very soon. Bye.